a saucy girl. Are you a saucy girl? Hey? And there's another little girl. Hi, baby. I think this is girl number 3. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I better check that. Yep. So we have 3 little girls here. 3 little girly girls. Hi, silly. How cute are you? Hey, little girl. And there's another little girl. 2 baby girls. Let's see the pattern on you. Oh, you got 2 little dots on your back. Isn't that interesting? So we should be able to pick you out easy in the pictures. And that sweet girl's very, very light. 1 big dot on her head. She's very cute too. And what about you? You have lots of color, don't you, baby? So there's our baby boy. Hi, baby boy. Look at you. Hi, mister. Oh, he's got toofies. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. It's gonna chew me right up. Who's this? Oh, you got me. You got me. Are you baby boy? Oh, you are a baby boy. Yeah.